Good morning. I am Dr. P.S. Ramani, neurospinal surgeon at Lilavati Hospital. We are passing through a COVID-19 pandemic. We had a lockdown of 3 months, 90 days. We opened gradually. My patients, all patients, spinal problems, brain problems, they suffered a lot. We could not attend to them. I know this for sure because the number of messages, emails, WhatsApp, phone calls that I receive from my patients, that I feel absolutely depressed to hear from them. No sooner after finishing that lockdown, we could open at Lilavati Hospital. We have opened altogether different wing, different corridor to treat non-COVID patients. In fact, while I am talking to you, a brain tumor surgery is in progress in the operation theatre of Lilavati Hospital by another colleague. Only yesterday, I myself did a spinal surgery on a non-COVID patient. As a matter of fact, for the last few days, me and my other spinal surgeon colleagues, we are doing routinely spinal surgery on non-COVID patient at Lilavati Hospital. Be assured, when you come to Lilavati Hospital, you have different corridor to enter. You will never see a COVID patient. In fact, I can assure you, you will never, not even see a health worker in front of you who is looking after the COVID patients. Your staff is different. Your OT staff is different. Your operation theatres are different. You come to the OPD, it is different. We are not seeing COVID patients in the OPDs which are reserved for you. Anytime if you got any doubt, come to Lilavati Hospital OPD. I am always available there on Tuesdays. You talk to me. I will take you around and satisfy yourself that what I am talking to you is truth. Leave aside all your apprehensions and come forward with your problems for surgery at Lilavati Hospital. What is most important, when you are admitted, we have created a separate canteen where your relatives can go have a cup of tea or refreshments far away from the COVID patients. Be assured about that. When you come to Lilavati Hospital, through a separate corridor altogether, you will be received by the staff, given you assurance, you will go to the OPD, see the doctor, you will be admitted after proper protocol, and in the ward, your staff is different. In the operation theatre, as I told you earlier, the doctors are different, staff is different. In fact, we have created separate air ducts for COVID and non-COVID patients just for your safety. Anytime, come to Lilavati, visit me, visit Lilavati Hospital, the other doctors. I am always available there, as I told you on Tuesday morning. Be assured, we are open and we welcome you to receive at Lilavati Hospital with all your spinal and brain problems.